Nagkagulo nga ngayon ang social media matapos nga na lumutang ang talent manager or former talent manager ni Jed Madela, na kung saan nalaman nga natin sa mga netizen na may alam, kapamilya pala ito o kapatid ng kanyang ama. So, technically, ito po ay kanyang napakalapit na kamag-anak. Pamangkin nito si Jed at tita naman siya ni Jed Madela. Well, ano nga ba ang issue? Narito po at iyan ay post ng kanyang tita Annie Mercado. Mula sa naging post ni Annie Mercado, ito ang isiniwalat niya. So I'm doing my business and moving on with my life of positivity, joy, and peace and try to ignore pesky flies. But a friend sent me a song. Once and for all, I'm putting an end to this. Since he went public via a song, I am no longer going to keep quiet about this person. I am naming him, don't worry. This song is about relationships, but we're not dumb to think it's not about us. The very family who took good care of him and loved him from the day he set foot in Manila. So yeah, I'm not playing the game of this ungrateful man anymore. Patuloy nga ng ex-manager at tita ni Jed Madela, wish you the worst. His new song, this song tells you so much about the kind of person the singer truly is. Title pa lang, he invested on negativity na. It's full of negativity, hate, and bitterness, always playing the victim when he is the offender. He's always played the game if the shoes fits. Well, sorry, I don't want to play. I don't hide behind songs and post with double meanings. So here it is. Jed Madela, don't taunt me with a song. Panindigan mo yan ha? Let's go to the press and tell all. If you don't wanna, I will. I think people wanna know the truth. Share until this reaches him because he blocked all of us. I've managed him for 23 years until he is what he is right now. That's the business side. I've known him since birth and me and family love him unconditionally, like a son and brother, and he chose to disrespect. That for me is my closure, end of the line. Mahaba-haba pa nga ang mga revelasyon na ito ni Miss Annie Mercado. Aniya, antayin nyo, he will say it's not about them. Why are they assuming it's about them? Even the cover art of his song is so cryptic. And he'll continue to say, ay, nag-assume yan sila. It's about them. Panindigan mo na yan at Sir Jed Madela. I don't know who's Daniel Mercado. Baka anak to ni Miss Annie, pinsan buo ni Jed. Iyan lamang po ay pakiwari ko lamang. Well, sa comment section, dalawa na nga yung nagsasalita. It's Daniel and Annie. Say pa ni Daniel Mercado, to everyone who is reading this post, Sir Jed Madela will never hold accountability for his actions. It will always be someone else's fault and not his own. Sagot naman ni Annie T. Mercado, I hate that I had to cover for him all the time, including how he called ASAP people monkeys. My apologies to ASAP people. I hope they read this. Sobrang lala ng galit niya sa amin. After we protected, helped and loved him, despite of everything he has done, to the point na sabihin niya na mas importante para sa kanya ang pera kaysa sa pamilya. It feels so good to finally be able to get this burden off our chest and say it. Narito nga, sumagot pa sa mga tanong ng netizen, ang nasabi nga pong auntie ni Jed. I hate to so but I must say this, he is so bad that he cannot pay us kahit na we beg him para sana sa urgent na medication pero nagbibingi-bingihan lang siya. Ganun siya kasama. Kailangan niya pa kaming bayaran ng more than 500,000 pa. Kaya hindi na ako nagtataka na magagawa niya sa'yo yan. Naman ni Annie T. Mercado, OMG, it's all about money for Jed. He got physical with me because he wants more money. Details soon. Fame and fortune got to his head. He forgets. He actually said that money is more important to him than family. People will eventually see real person that he is. Udyok naman ni Annie Mercado sa nagsabi na may 500,000 pang utang si Jed Madela. Sabi niya, singilin mo, producer na siya ngayon ng mga sarili niyang concerts. Lakas namang magyabang ng mga ari-arian niya, benta niya mga laruan niya para mabayaran ka. Say naman ng isa, grabe talaga, hindi ko ma-imagine nakakaawa ang nasa ospital, wala siyang puso. Ilang beses na halos nagmakaawa na kami, pero grabe sila, kabingi at walang puso. Okay na lang sana. Kaso lang we need it para sa may matinding medical procedure. And we explained many times at that. Say ng auntie ni Jed, and yung kinakalat niya ngayon sila ng alipores niyang si Flor na mukhang pera. Ako ay di ba siya ang nakatira sa amin kasi kami makakapag-alaga sa kanya. Ngayon nakuhanan ko siya ng bahay at magarang buhay, ako na mukhang pera. Say pa ni Annie Mercado, I have all the evidence and resibo. Sige, magsinungaling pa siya. I warned him I will only defend if he attacks, so ayan, sige, mag-attack ka pa. He only thinks of himself. He's too full of himself that he doesn't care about anyone. So yeah, May, I'm not surprised he ignored you or he ignored your pleas. Siyempre, nagulantang ang mga netizen matapos nang sabihin ni Anity Mercado, ang ex-manager ni Jed, na tinawag niyang monkey ang mga kasamahan niya sa ASAP. Well, ano nga po ba ang naging say dito ng mga netizen? Mixed reaction ng ilan ay ayaw muna maniwala hanggat hindi naririnig ang side ni Jed. Anila, again, eto uli ako with my same conviction na hindi ako magti-take sides hanggat di ko naririnig o nababasa ang magkabilang panig. She actually his biological aunt, younger sister ng dad niya. I wonder what happened. He's super close with her before and her daughters. Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang naging say ng mga netizen. Say nila, sos daming kuda. Be thankful na lang at kumita ka kay Jed. He could have hired other people pero ikaw ang pinili. Supposed to be ka mag-anak. There's two sides of the story. Love him unconditionally. If walang bayad, maniniwala pa ako. True. The problem with people willing to help kuno sa huli ay may ina-expect pa pala. Sana sinabi na lang nilang utang yon at hindi tulong. She got bills to pay, spending time managing Jed. Correct. Anyway, mixed reaction nga sila. Ang ilan ay kampi kay Jed, ang ilan na may kampi sa kanyang tita. Marami akong narinig na nega dito before pa, lalo na nung nag-post siya with digong niya. Always had bad vibes about the guy. Nasa way he speaks sa mga live niya. Also, naman ng isang netizen, comment na lang ako pag narinig ko na ang side ni Jed Madela sa pananalita kasi ng aunt manager, parang hindi rin maganda ang ugali. Mukhang napuno na nga daw. Well, ilang netizen pa nga nagsabi na dahil nga magkadugo sila, parehas sila ng attitude. Note, this is their way of announcing his new single album. It's only for clout. So, naniniwala na ito ay clout lamang. Si Jed na laging may patutsada sa ASAP pag walang production number kaya hindi gano'n sumisikat ito at walang hit song ever by. Say naman ng isa, nag-hit song ang kanyang kanta na I Just Wanna Love You Forevermore. Kaya pala tinatawag mga tao sa ASAP na monkeys. Say naman ng isang netizen, now I know bakit walang sustainability sa kanya. It's all because of the big A. Sabi na nga ba may A si singer. Kita naman pag nagla-live siya, suplado at mayabang, lagi pang sarcastic. Typical na manager, talent, pag umayaw na si talent, lagot kasi sirain ka, parang di ka pinakinabangan. Hoy, if kumita sa'yo si Jed, malamang ikaw din umayos ang buhay. Say naman ng isa, toxic utang na loob. I'm not aware of the issue pero sana walang sumbat kasi nagtrabaho din si Jed siguro. Pero if may utang, tama lang magbayad si Jed, pero if hingi, different story na yon. Well, siguro, yung monkey na tinawag niya yung mga taga-ASAP, baka out of anger. Maiintindahan naman ito for sure ng mga naging kasama ni Jed Madela sa ASAP. Sinabi din ng kanyang tita na may sarili ng producer, nagpo-produce ng concert itong si Jed, na sarili niyang concert. Siya mismo ang nagpo-produce. Well, malaki rin talaga ang gastos ni Jed at hindi natin alam kung kumikita ba o hindi. Para naman fair, sa tita naman nitong si Jed Madela, baka na-misinterpret ng ilang netizen, mayroon doong parang nakautang si Jed, sinisingil dahil may na-hospital sa kanila pero nagbingi-bingihan itong si Jed. Kaya naman ang advice ng tita nitong si Jed ay singilin mo. So, yun ang ibig sabihin. But anyway, ano nga kaya ang punot dulo at bakit galit na galit sila kay Jed na kung saan ay tila si Jed talaga ang may naging problema. At ang kanta nga daw ngayon na pinroduce o i-release ni Jed Madela ay about sa kanilang pamilya. Well, yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.